When a cruise ship pulls into dry dock, the clock starts ticking. Every hour offline costs you. There's no room for delays, just precision, speed, and experience. Vigor Marine Group is your partner in cruise ship maintenance and modernization, with facilities in Portland and Seattle, including North America's largest floating dry dock and 80,000 long tons of lift capacity. Our West Coast teams are equipped to handle vessels of every size, from boutique ships to mid-sized cruisers to the world's largest floating cities. Vigor is a proven leader in getting cruise ships back into the water on time and on budget. Our highly skilled mobile workforce orchestrates every intricate detail, leveraging some of the largest and most capable facilities on the West Coast to deliver end-to-end shipyard services. Because when the clock is ticking, you need a partner who can deliver, so your ship is ready for its next port of call.